Asus will introduce the ROG Phone 6 in March 2022. Let's look at the specification of this phone. The Asus ROG Phone 6 has a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2448 pixels and a Full HD Plus resolution. The display has a 20:4:9 aspect ratio and a pixel density of 395 ppi. Corning Gorilla Glass is used to protect the display from smudges and scratches. The ROG Phone 6 comes with a triple camera setup that includes a 64 megapixels main camera, a 16 megapixels ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 5 megapixels macro camera. Continuous shooting, high dynamic range shooting, digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, and touch to focus are all features of the back camera. The smartphone has a single 32 megapixels selfie camera on the front. The device's on-screen optical fingerprint sensor tackles security concerns. The internal memory of the Asus ROG Phone 6 is 128 GB and is not expandable. The internal memory is enough and comes in helpful for meeting the user's storage needs. In terms of performance, the smartphone is equipped with an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor and 8 GB of RAM. The processor is made using a 5nm manufacturing technology. Adreno 660 GPU used on this device. The ROG Phone 6 is equipped with a huge 6000 mAh battery for long-lasting power. This phone is powered by the Android 12 operating system. It also features a USB Type-C connection for quick charging. 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS for navigation, USB Type-C, dual SIM card slots, NFC, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, gyro sensor, accelerometer, compass, and 3.5mm audio jack are all included in this phone. What are your thoughts on this phone? Please leave a comment below and remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as well as press the bell button to be notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.